Hello and welcome back to a new episode on spice and easy kitchen. Today's recipe is an easy and delicious meal, perfect for lunch or dinner. For this recipe, we will need 3 potatoes grated on the coarse side. We grate them and set them aside. I am going to pour water over the grated potatoes to wash them well and remove the starch. I washed the potatoes and placed them in a strainer to drain properly. Now we'll prepare the other ingredients. I have a pan with 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can use olive oil if you prefer. Here I add 2 medium red onions. Red onions work best. We saute them. Until they soften slightly. After the onions soften, I add 1 bell pepper, cut into strips like this. I add salt. Adjust salt to taste. Let everything cook until the pepper and onions soften well. Now that they are soft, we continue. I turn off the heat, transfer them to a bowl, and continue. I take 2 eggs, add half a spoon of black pepper and half a spoon of paprika, measured with a small spoon. I mix the spices with the eggs. I add some parsley and pour this mixture in. I mix well. The potatoes have drained completely. They must be fully dry with no remaining water. I add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And mix until all ingredients are well combined. Now we cook this mixture. These ingredients. I'd add 1 spoon of oil to the pan and spread it with a brush or by tilting the pan. Let it heat slightly. The oil is now hot. I add half of the potato mixture. I divide it into 2 equal parts. I shape the edges with the back of a spoon. I press it slightly. Here I have 100 g of cheese. I place 50 g on the first layer. I add the sautéed onion and pepper mixture and spread it over the cheese. Then I add the remaining cheese. I spread it over the vegetables. I add the second half of the potato mixture. And flatten everything evenly. I cover for 10 minutes, then flip it. After 10 minutes, I check by lightly shaking the pan to make sure it is not sticking. Then I place a plate and flip it over. Let it cook for 5 minutes on the other side. In total, it takes about 15 minutes. Then we place it on a serving dish. And this is our potato pie or potato cake, prepared this way. We'll garnish it with a bit of grated cheese, optional. Just a light sprinkle. And a little parsley. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Now I'll cut a piece to show you the inside. Here is how the pie looks inside. It is very delicious. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.